1 minute rewind. Okay? Yep, yep. Nice. Okay, Thomas, pick him up. Oh, close to Roman. Thomas.
Oldie versus Young Buck. Let's go, Rita. Catch that old lady. Catch that old lady.
Let's go. Nice.
Let's go, Fatty. Don't let the young buck catch you.
Let's get Young Buck.
Let's go, Rita. Catch that old lady.
10 seconds.
Catch her. Catch her. There you go. You almost there.
1.
Nice.
We are all off the way now. Thomas, the tree, please. Strap in, Thomas. Strap in. It's harder.
Let's go, Russ. Focus, boy. Focus.
We're not tired.
Let's go, Max. Just catch this young fella. Catch him. Jerry, try to get away from me. Yo. Let's go, boy. There you go, boy. There you go, boy. There you go, boy. Let's go, Bus. Keep going, son. There you go. Woo, Leasso versus Eke. Way. The Young Bucks are just smashing it right now. Let's go, oldies. Let's go, oldies. Let's go, Young Bucks. Let's go, young ones. Hey, son, move. Go, oldies. Let's go, Young Bucks. Nice. Nice team. Nice team. Woo. Let's go, Rita.
That's what's the race up
Let's go, Rita. Stay ahead of the oldie.
Let's get rid of. Something like my things.
Nice, Young Bucks.
Hold it down.
Go, Rita, go.
Push it.
Catch her, fatty. Catch her, fatty. Nice, Rita.
Go next. 10, 9, 8, 7,
Nice.
1. Nice.
Smash it out there, son.
She's all taller than us. Halfway.
Nice.
100 meters left.
Push it, son. Push it, son.
Nice, Thomas. Almost there.
Let's go, Max. There you go, boy. There you go, boy. There you go, boy. Keep going.
15 seconds.
There you go, boy.
10 seconds left. 10 seconds.
Hold it, son. Hold it, son. All the way.
5 seconds left. Okay, keep going. 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hey.
Thomas,
Nice, Lasso.
Finish off, Marcus. Finish off, Chris.
Let's go, two. Nice, two. Let's go. Come on, young ones. Let's go, oldies. Yeah. Good work, young bucks. Teamwork. Oldies, what happened?
Finish off there. You only got 100.
100 meters. 100 meters.
Keep up.
Push it.
Finish the 100.
Smash it. Let's go, team. Go, team. Let's go, team. Oh. All good, team. All good, team. You guys did good. Good work.
Good push.
Good work, fam.
Nice one. Stop, Mickey.
Nice work.